1st October is International Day for Older Persons and 10th October is World Mental Health Day. Especially during COVID period, our elderly persons in and around us, they face a lot of mental and physical challenges. Welcome to Brain Breeze, Dr. Vij Pal here. And today we'll discuss how to deal them effectively and to make them happy and make ourselves happy. Have you ever noticed this wonderful quote by Milton Greenwald about lifespan? First, we are children to our parents. Then we are parents to our children. Then we are parents to our parents. Then we are children to our children. Let's see how to become good parents for your own parents. We know your parents are those who sacrificed their everything, their likes, their dislikes, their comfort, their energy, their enjoyments, their resources and what not. When they have health and wealth, you liked their presence and presence. But during their old age, when they are confined to their own rooms, if you don't have time to sit with them and chat with them, you know how painful it will be for them. Physical health has an impact on mental health and vice versa. And elderly people are facing a lot of neurological and psychological issues such as memory loss related issues like dementia, amnesia and Alzheimer's, etc. Along with loneliness, depression, anxiety. Usually most of you might have searched for tips, talks, books and even for training sessions for better parenting. Isn't it so? It's quite natural. But how many of you ever searched for tips and talks for parenting your own parents? Elderly people in our society are facing a lot of physical as well as psychological issues. You know the reasons? Partially due to the aging process and partially due to the actions of family members. What happens is, during their old age, their physical and mental capacities along with the resources will be decreasing, whereas their needs and dependency will be increasing. As a result, their stress will be increasing. Even though they are facing loneliness, disappointment, distress, severe depression, anxiety, etc., they may not be able to express, but we must be there with them to understand it. I'm sure you will be shocked to know that lakhs of senior citizens in our country have been facing a lot of abuses from their own children or relatives. What are these types of abuses? Let's see. Physical abuse, verbal abuse, financial abuse, emotional abuse, and even sexual abuse. Do you think that it is the duty of only the family members? I feel it is the collective responsibility of this society, each one of us, to ensure a safe, secure and dignified life for them. Apart from severe physical illness, in every 10 older people, 3 of them are facing severe depression, anxiety or some type of psychological disorders. I have framed an interesting mnemonic for you out of 7 most important tips for dealing with your own parents or with any elderly. Number 1, E stands for empathetic care and concern. Don't you feel that when you get into their own shoes, you'll be able to understand their problems and needs properly and serve them better? Yes, then please try to do it. Number 2, L stands for love them unconditionally and listen them patiently. To be heard is their burning need. When you're ready to listen them unconditionally and without an if clause, they'll feel relaxed. They'll feel very happy. Number 3, D stands for deal them with dignity. Till their old age, they had been commanding, ordering, implementing according to their own wish and will. Now they may have difference of opinions, disagreements, but please make them feel that they are also right, even though you are perfectly right. So try to be a little bit flexible in your approach. Fourth point is E. E stands for every day is vital. Please do not postpone their wish and needs. Why? Because for them every day is vital. Communicate with them clearly every day, every hour. Clarify their doubts and worries and call them if possible if you are not with them. Fifth one, R stands for respect and accept. For some people, once they stop working, they feel that society as well as family members are not respecting them. As they get older, they may lose self-respect as well as self-esteem. Your acceptance can do a lot. That will make a big difference in them to develop, to regain their respect and self-esteem. Sixth one is L stands for laughter, the best medicine. For you and them, there will be a lot of stresses. When you take things very seriously, you will be naturally angry. When you take things very lightly, you will be relieved. Crack jokes once in a while and make them happy, make them laugh, and you can also laugh. That will be the best medicine. Last tip for elderly. Why? Y stands for you too. Remember, you too will become old one day. And do not set a wrong example for your own children. And please do not have a chance to develop prick of conscience or repentance about your own actions against your parents. Taking care of older people doesn't mean that you will be looking after your own parents. Let it be anyone, your friends' parents, relatives, neighbors. During pandemic, if you're unable to go and meet them, try to make it a point that you will be making a call at least once in a week and try to make them happy. Thank you for watching Brain Breeze.